Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Booster. I'm Imly, your English coach, and I'm here to help you speak real-life English confidently and naturally. If you are a beginner and you want to improve your spoken English step by step, this channel is perfect for you. Today, we are going to learn English through a real-life situation. The topic is buying vegetables in the market. And of course, I am not alone. I have someone with me who is learning English, just like many of you. This is Alex.
Hi everyone. I'm Alex. I am learning English, and sometimes I feel nervous while speaking. But I really want to improve.
That's great, Alex. And don't worry, making mistakes is part of learning. Today, we will practice how to buy vegetables in English in a simple and natural way. So everyone, watch carefully, listen carefully, and try to repeat after us. Let's go to the vegetable market.
Wow, Imly. There are so many vegetables here.
Yes, Alex. This is a local vegetable market. Here, you can buy fresh vegetables at a reasonable price.
Reasonable price means not too expensive, right?
Exactly. Good job. Now, imagine you are alone and you want to buy vegetables. What will you say first?
Maybe. Give me tomatoes.
That is understandable, but it sounds a little direct. In English, we usually speak politely. You can say, "Excuse me, how much are the tomatoes?" Repeat after me.
Excuse me, how much are the tomatoes?
Perfect. They are 40 rupees per kilo.
Okay. Please give me 1 kilo of tomatoes.
Very good. That sounds polite. Now let's add more vegetables.
How much are the potatoes?
They are 30 rupees per kilo.
Please give me 2 kilos of potatoes.
Excellent. Let's learn some important sentences you can use in a vegetable market. How much is this? How much are these? Please give me half a kilo. Do you have fresh spinach? Can you reduce the price? Now, Alex, try asking about spinach.
Excuse me, do you have fresh spinach?
Yes, we do. It's very fresh.
Great. Please give me 1 bunch.
Very good.
Imly, can we ask for a discount in English?
Yes, of course. You can say, "Can you give me a discount?" Or, "Can you reduce the price a little?" Let's practice.
Can you reduce the price a little?
Okay, I will give you a small discount.
Thank you.
Sometimes, we also check the quality of vegetables. You can say, "Are these fresh?" Or, "These look fresh." Try it, Alex.
Are these carrots fresh?
Yes, they are fresh and organic.
Great. I'll take 1 kilo.
Your total is 150 rupees.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you very much.
Great job, Alex. Today you learned how to ask for prices, buy vegetables politely, ask for a discount, check freshness, pay and say thank you.
Yes. Now I feel more confident. Before this, I was scared to speak English in public. But now I think I can try.
That's the spirit. Remember, everyone, confidence comes with practice. If you want to improve your English, practice daily. Speak slowly. Don't be afraid of mistakes. You enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Booster. We will bring more real-life English conversations for beginners.
And remember, speak confidently. Imly, something interesting happened today. At first, I was scared people would judge my English. But nobody laughed. In fact, I even received appreciation.
That's because when you speak calmly and confidently, people respect your effort. They listen to what you say instead of looking for mistakes.
But what if someone corrects me in public? I might feel embarrassed.
Then you respond confidently. Just say, "Thank you for correcting me." Learning in public is not weakness, it's courage. Let's imagine a new situation. Suppose someone near you looks confused and needs help understanding a price. What would you say?
Maybe I could say, the price is written on the board. It says 40 rupees per kilo.
Good. Now add politeness.
The board shows 40 rupees per kilo, but you can confirm with the seller.
Excellent. See, you are not just speaking English. You are helping someone through communication.
That feels meaningful. It's more than shopping now.
Exactly. Language builds connection.
Now that we bought these vegetables, I want to cook something special tonight.
What dish are you thinking about?
Maybe a mixed vegetable curry. But I'm wondering if I forgot anything important.
Ask yourself useful questions in English. Do I have all the ingredients? Is anything missing from my list?
Oh no, I forgot ginger.
Then let's go back and get it. Real life gives second chances.
All right, I'll practice again. Excuse me, do you have fresh ginger?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
This piece looks slightly dry. Could you show me a fresher one?
Certainly. Here's another one.
That looks better. I'll take 100 grams, please.
Your tone was confident and respectful.
Oh, I only have a large note. This is awkward.
Nothing awkward. Just communicate clearly.
I'm sorry, I don't have smaller notes. Do you have change?
Let me see. Yes, I can manage.
Thank you so much.
Notice how simple sentences solve stressful moments.
Even small money situations can feel intense, but speaking clearly makes them easier.
That's emotional maturity in communication.
Today felt like a real-life English exam.
And you handled every situation calmly.
At the beginning, my heartbeat was fast. But every time I completed a conversation, I felt stronger.
Because action reduces anxiety. The more you speak, the less fear controls you.
I also realized that when I focused on vegetables, prices, and quality, I stopped worrying about grammar rules.
Exactly. Communication is about meaning, not perfection. Let's review some powerful sentences you used naturally today. May I check this? Could you explain the total? That seems a bit expensive. I think there might be a mistake. Do you have change? These phrases are polite and practical in daily life.
They don't sound complicated, but they feel powerful.
Because simple English is strong English.
If someone had told me a month ago that I would negotiate prices confidently in English, I would have laughed.
Growth is quiet. It happens through daily practice, not overnight miracles.
I feel independent now, like I can manage real conversations on my own.
That's the purpose of learning a language. Independence. Before we leave, let's practice one more quick situation. Suppose someone offers something extra for free. What would you say?
Is this really free, or is there any condition?
Very smart question.
And if I agree, I can say, all right, I'll take it. Thank you.
Perfect. Calm, clear, confident.
Today I spoke in multiple situations. At first, I hesitated. Now I feel relaxed.
You moved from fear to functional fluency in one visit.
Not perfect English, but practical English.
And practical English is what changes daily life. So, what did we learn today? English is not limited to classrooms. Markets, shops, streets, these are your real practice zones. You don't need expensive programs to begin speaking. You need courage to start one conversation.
Today I understood that speaking English isn't about impressing people. It's about expressing yourself clearly and confidently.
Exactly. Remember this, mistakes are temporary. Silence is permanent.
Next time I step outside, I'll look for opportunities to speak instead of avoiding them.
That's the English booster mindset. Challenge yourself this week. Speak in one real-life situation anywhere. Small actions create strong confidence.
Keep learning. Keep practicing.
And keep boosting your English booster channel.